That's a nice spot. So here we are, we're right behind the waterfall. We're about 30 minutes northwest of Cambodia, up in the mountains. We rented a little scooter, and then we just went straight north and went a little bit west, right into the mountains, and the river goes up here. And this is one of the main waterfalls. And I'm pretty much just right behind it. And I would think, you know, this is rainy season, so this is probably the most water that you see come off this fall. It's probably quite dry in hot season, I would think. I've never been here, so who knows. But this is super cool. This is like a little hollowed out cave that actually looks as though, oh, there's like a full granite ledge right there. Wow, very cool. Would love to camp up here. That'd be amazing. Get a little fire going. But that's a lot of water going off. See if there's a little path, I bet you. Yeah, I think there's a little path. Don't know where it goes, but people can walk up here. And here's a nice little side view. I think it's one of the largest waterfalls in the area. We paid $2 each to come in here, and I guess it's a park. It's a lot of water. So now back down I go. Gotta use my little waterproof case here.